was a quick-wit boy diving too deep for coins. All of your streetlight eyes wide on my plastic toys. When the cops close the fair, I cut my long baby hair, stole me a dog-eared map, and called for you everywhere. Have I found you, flightless bird, jealous, weeping gore, lost you, American mouth, big pill, looming. Now I'm a fat house cat, nursing my sore blood tongue, watching the warm poison rats curl through the wide fence cracks, pissing on magazines, photos of fishing lures thrown in the cold and clean blood of the Christ mountain stream. Have I found you, flightless bird, crowned dead, bleeding, or lost you, American